Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel One to Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to delay the video in OBS. Now let us begin. Well, do you know that I have already installed the application in case you have not do it right now. Now let's simply look at how to delay the video. Well, it's quite easy. Let's simply focus on the control tab right here. Just here, you can see a button like this called as setting. Click on it. Once you do, these things will open up. From here, let us only focus on advanced. Click on it right now. Well guys, once you do, as you can see, there are lots of options. Simply scroll down and right here you can see something called as stream delay. Simply toggle on the button right here and change the duration as per your wish. And guys, that is it. That is how you delay video in OBS. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.